Hi, sir.
Hi,
Very good afternoon.
thank you, welcome.
So, how are you, sir?
I'm fine.
So, really, it's been a great pleasure for you as well as we for coming here, sir. So, once again, we thank you for coming here,
Okay.
for accepting our invitation. So, myself, Sadiq, sir, from Industry Relations Department. So, we act as a bridge between academia as well as the industries. So, first of all, really, it's been a pleasure for coming here. So, the guest lecture which happened today for the EEE department students is really amazing, sir. So, thank you so much for the time. So, here are our EEE department students who want to interact with you by asking some questionnaire rounds. So, go ahead,
It's
sir.
okay.
So,
Thank you.
hi students, good afternoon. So, today we are having Dr. Hanaan sir, so who is the head of plant operations and he's from MIYAMA Electric India Private Limited company. So, it's been a great opportunity for you for getting the meet with the chief guest. So, kindly have your words, okay? All the best.
Hello, sir. I'm Ashwita from EEE final year. So, my question would be what are the biggest challenges that in electrical switchgear manufacturing industry that the industry face and how the industry address them, sir?
Okay, the electrical biggest challenges is innovations, main actually, but keep on changing, not same as other electronic communication nodes. Electrical always the same compatible field, but we can move the step forward. See, at present before the electricity, it's only through cable line and powers. Now it's coming new technology of renewable energy. This is the because you move one step ahead. In future, the solar it will be changed some other. It's not an issues, but we are focusing what we have to do, what we can do, what type of innovations we can, what we given to the nations. That is the main. Our through electricals, many you can say industry now booming automobile industry. 1984 automobile industry is down. Nowadays automobile industry is very booming in India everywhere. The same way now the power generations, power grids, that is also main. Windmill energy, it's going to more. Then means this is not further we have to see environmental safety also.
Hello, sir. My name is Anuya. I am from EEE department final year. Sir, as you mentioned, technology is evolving, so does industry. So, can you share your insights on the role of automation and robotics in electrical manufacturing industries, sir? And how can students prepare for this technological shift?
Technological shift about the automation industries.
Yes, sir.
Automation industry is purely what we have to do, only the not the power grids. Automations, many, what I say, divided into many parts is their automations. Automation technology, especially offshore, onshore. These two link communications. If you say the platform in onshore, oil field and everything's to collect electricity powers, I mean, what we say through water, we will take the electricity from the water, we will take the electricity from the coal, everything will be challenged one, according to. But coal is the most before, but nowadays include water also they are taking the energies. But automations, we have to change us. One stipulated point is there. This is the maximum level to control that energies. In future, it will be changed in different technology, but we don't know exactly what type will go. Not only in automation, if you go the power tech, solar energy, windmill energy, different type of. For previous compared to old, now we are advanced in this. That way we have to think advanced what we can further, how to develop. That is the technology improvements.
Sir, nowadays students seek for internships and the practical experience. So, how do these internships and practical experience in plant operations help them being ready for industries, sir?
Okay, very good answer. Very good questions. See here, internship is the one of the gaining your knowledges to implement in future of your works. practical experiences you should learn. You should do practically. Internship only same as what we have to do theoretical. You learn from others. That is internship. You learn from others. Practical, you should do work. What you learn from others, you should do, and you can get the feedback and you can get the results. Problem solving, everything's through practical only. Any others?
Yes, sir. Sir, what are the specific technical skills that industries like manufacturing plants look in the freshly graduated students, sir?
Freshly graduated students for internship.
Technical skills, sir.
Technical skill. So freshly graduated students, technical skill, first initially less. They don't know what they have to do. But if you already graduated, you know what the type of technical you should learn and you should ask. You should raise. Example, I am not study. I do this way. This is, you can say, no, you cannot do this way. This is the some issues. This is the problem will be happened. Especially what we'll say, some manufacturing industry. Some electrical, you can, with wear the gloves and everything, you can hand or bear. Due to the experience, bare hands also you can contact and everything, some of the experience. The new skills, you should do the safety aspects, whatever the technical points, you have to do the safety aspects. Safety aspects is many. If you go the electronics and the electrical, the small chips, might be you touch that, your body static current, it will be passed through, it will be failed. Same way, electrical switches is nothing but minute microchips, no, in electrical parts. Microchips wherever, that is the safety parts. We have to know that how to handle and how to pronounce. That is, you know, the technical people only knows, and non-technical people they cannot do. That's why technical people handle, including as example, what they can handle with the customer representative, what the people is asking, what you have to answer. One more example also. Because of the technical, if I put that same place, customer representative, non-technical also can handle, but they don't know. They cannot answer. That's why I told one question in seminar. Whatever you do, you approach and answer boldly. If you don't know, don't say, I don't know. Okay, what are the results you have? You can send it, we will review it. Then you know to pause. This is, technical people will not answer these questions. They will directly to answer if no's are unknown. This is the problem, this is the no. That is simple examples.
Sir, how does this MIYAMA Electric maintain safety in its production facilities? And what can students learn from these practices, sir?
Okay, very. See, MIYAMA Electric, the safety they have many actually. Vienna, because we are the environmental safety already we certified also. Apart from that, OSHA is not required, but I will tell you, wherever the electrical components we are using, we need the safety. Some of the test parameters, 700 volt, it's to be shocked or not, it will be shocked. But whenever the amperage is less, very, very less amps, below 1 amps or 0.1 amps, it will not be affected. However, when they are handling the electrical equipment, everything, they should wear the gloves. They are responsible. If in case any emergency, the safety immediately will give the training for the people. Once the siren came, electrical sirens, wherever some other reasons, safety is failed, we have to make the automatic siren, we push it. Different location is there. See, you push emergency button, siren will be there. If you suppose the fire, if your assembly is completely closed to room, oxygen, everything through AC is running, some fire happen. No need, immediately break the fire glass. The fire glass it will be. So everybody will be alert for that, what type of fire and everything's to come. Any person depends upon the, what will do, the company employees. We have to move forward accordingly. Don't panic, but as much as quickly possible to reach the safety point. Safety point, some time limits is there. very nearby below 1 minute. Some area, some of the strength maximum 2 hours 39 seconds, because all the rescue will be within 3 minutes. This is the reason in the safety. Depends upon some, not only in this one, oil. Suppose oil fall down. Oil might be fire. Oil, you might be slippery. So what we have to do? Immediately safety officer take the corrective measures. Slippery, arrange immediately the alternate route to move safely the employees. Type of safety is more. Flood alert. Flood alert, you cannot stay down. You can go upstairs immediately. That type of safety also, that is most. That is, we given mock-up drill, the name called mock drill. Mock drill we given every month or 3 months once we are giving to our employees, how to approach, how to handle. Any small pieces to handle with the finger cord, not used by the fair hands, because it will be failed the product. That is.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So once again, thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time, suggestions as well as your efforts. Thank you so much. Sir.
Thank you. Thank you.